Now, the Bellville Magistrate's Court in Cape Town has heard that a 37-year-old woman accused of kidnapping a 9-day-old baby from Middestad Mall may have previously targeted a 15-year-old girl. This was revealed by investigating officer Sergeant Dawid Fortuin, who's currently on the stand now, who was called as the first witness during the bail application. Let's listen in.
Kan ik op record plaats, meneer, waar het document wat op pas bij u oorgehandig is, gaan dit elke bladzij. En ik kan u niet voorzien wat is dit.
Dit is een petitie, dit is in Engels, ik ga het in Engels lezen hier lakbare.
Document is in English, your worship. I will proceed and read it in English.
It is from the Faith and Hope Missing Persons People's Case, says the children. Dat is die briefhoofd boaan.
That you will be the letterhead.
Dan is het Petition to Bail, case Bellville 489 of 6/2025, baby Muhammad Imad Samar, to the presiding officer Bellville Magistrate Court, National Prosecuting Authority Bellville, South African Police Service Bellville. Petition in support of memorandum of opposed bail in the matter of baby Muhammad Imad Shamar, between brackets Bellville case 489 of 6/2025. We, the undersigned residents and stakeholders of Tafelsig Mitchells Plain hereby express our unequivocal opposition to the granting of bail for the female that took baby Muhammad Imad Samar from his mother at Middestad Mall, Bellville, who stand accused of grooming and kidnapped baby. The petition accompanies the formal memorandum submitted by Faith and Hope Missing Persons and is rooted in the constitutional, legal, moral duty to protect children from harm. We stand in support of Section 28 of the Constitution, which upholds the best interest of the child as paramount in every matter concerning them. Should be every matter concerning them. To give care and protect to our Children's Act 38 of 2005 in terms of the Child Justice Act to protect the rights of our children. Our reasons for opposing bail include flight risk, public safety, interfere with witnesses or evidence, the community eroded trust in the safety of the kids in the community. We call on the court and the NPA to uphold the right and safety of our children in our community, recognize the gravity of the alleged offence, between brackets is Schedule 5, but it should be Schedule 1, refuse bail to accused to prevent further harm and to restore community confidence in the justice system. We demand justice, safety, accountability. We, the undersigned, support Faith and Hope Missing Person Memorandum and call for the accused to remain in custody. Then I see that each page have 21 signatures, and I believe it's 8 pages. Sorry, 1, 2, 3, 4 on this document. 1, 2, 3 on the other document, Your Worship.
Before we go any further, can you just testify what columns or rather details had to have been put into that petition for the purpose of having your name signed?
Okay. First column is the name and surname. Second column, identification number. Third column, contact number. And fourth column is signature.
Is it something for an ID number then?
Identification number. Second column.
Okay.
But not all columns have identification numbers. Some do have ID numbers, some don't. And then
all of them have signatures.
Yeah, all of them have signatures.
Listen, record please. If you were to go through those signatures, can you see any signatures that have been duplicated?
Eerlikwaar, ek is nie handskrif-expert nie, maar op my observasie lyk dit nie vir my of die handtekeninge geduplikate is nie.
Your Worship, I'm not a fingerprints expert, a handwriting expert, Your Worship, but according to my knowledge and what I see, Your Worship, it doesn't look like there is any duplications.
Your Worship, I would ask that it be handcuffed.
The petition is marked as accepted.
As God pleases, Your Worship. Sir, just for the purpose of finality, is there anything else you'd like to put before this court that's relevant to the bail application that I've not asked you with regards to?
Eerlikwaar, soos ek gesê het in die vorige versending, staan ek in vir die ondersoekbeampte in hierdie saak, eerlikwaar.
Your Worship, as I've already mentioned previously, Your Worship, I'm only standing in for the investigating officer in this matter.
Is that it, sir?
Die ondersoekbeampte het na die vorige verklaring bekom van die e-hailing driver wat vir die beskuldigde en ook die klaagster gery het van Middestad Strandfontein en toe Bellville Edelagbare, en daar is sekere goed wat hy in sy verklaring wat ek dink die hof moet kennis dra van Edelagbare.
The investigating officer, Your Worship, did obtain a affidavit, Your Worship, from the e-hailing driver. They transported the complainant with the accused from which is plain Strandfontein, Bellville, and there's certain aspects that I feel the court needs to hear what is written in the statement, Your Worship.
Then continue, sir.
Eerlikwaar, volgens die bestuurder van die voertuig het hy gehoor dat die beskuldigde vir die klaagster in die saak 'n hele paar vrae vra soos drinkie baba aan jou bors.
According to the investigating officer, Your Worship, he said he spoke to the e-hailing driver. The e-hailing driver stated that he heard the accused asking the complainant a lot of questions, Your Worship, like, is the baby still drinking? On you? Is she still breastfeeding?
Die klaagster sou dan antwoord dat sy mag miskien nee aan die baba gee net om te supplementeer, eerlikwaar.
The mother then responded, Your Worship, and said that she might introduce the baby to Nen just to supplement.
Die bestuurder van die voertuig sê ook toe verder dat die vrae toe persoonlik geraak, eerlikwaar.
The driver of the vehicle also further mentioned, Your Worship, that the question started to become more personal.
Die beskuldigde sou vir die klaagster vra, sou sy vir 'n pap smeer gaan, eerlikwaar.
The accused would have asked the complainant, Your Worship, if she would have gone for a pap smear.
Sy het ook gevra hoe oud die klaagster se ander kind is eerlikbare.
She also asked how old the other child is of the complainant.
Die beskuldigde het ook in die maag genoem dat sy moet nie haar ouerkind nalaat afskeep nie eerlikbare.
The accused also mentioned that the mother should not neglect older child.
Eerlikbare, voor die klaagster in die kar geklim het, dui die bestuurder van die voertuig ook aan dat hy het gesien dat die beskuldigde in verpleegsters uniform is eerlikbare.
Your Worship, the driver, the EL driver, also he said, Your Worship, that before the accused got into the vehicle, he noticed that she was wearing a nurse outfit.
Right, those are proceedings there currently underway. We're investigating Officer Sergeant Dawid Fortuin, the very first witness in the case of the 37-year-old woman accused of kidnapping a 9-day-old baby, is taking the court through what seems like a timeline of events as detailed in the initial docket. Now, this case continues.